My parents decided that in 1967 to move to the Napa Valley, and even more fortunate, they chose to make Pritchard Hill our home. They believed that they could make the finest wine available in the Napa Valley, and maybe even a wine that would compete with the best of the French. And that was certainly Dad's objective, to make a wine that was spectacular.
That was a big goal, but he had some amazing wines in his library that he really wanted to try to emulate, and he had done enough research that made him think that maybe he could do some of that up here. So that continues to be our philosophy: make the best wines in the world from our vineyards on Pritchard Hill.
Chappellet was built in 1968, and so it's one of the older wineries in Napa Valley. It was the second winery to be built after Prohibition, and it was very avant-garde and ahead of its time because it is such a beautiful cathedral-like winery.
We're very fortunate to have over 100 acres of vineyard in the middle of Napa Valley in the eastern hills. And it's one contiguous property, but the diversity of the land is really remarkable. And it's that diversity that allows us to break it up into many, many small pieces and work through the season. And then Philip and his winemaking team have a lot of hard work to figure out how are they going to put all of that together.
Stylistically, we've become better at capturing the best of each vintage. I think people should see the wine, see that it's beautiful, see the color, the richness, the depth, the intensity of the color. The aromas should be perfect. Wines that linger should have a combination of red and dark fruit, spice, some of that sort of delicate herbal tone that comes with Cabernet, but in balance with the fruit. It should taste big and strong like a mountain wine, but velvety in the finish and be completely satisfying. And if we could do all of that, we've done our job.